And well, it is a big lead in connection to the Karnataka sleaze tape scandal after Siddaramaiah had written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking the cancellation of Prajwal Revanna's diplomatic passport for a second time. MEA has received the letter and the same is being processed. This is the very latest that is coming in as Republic has learnt that Prajwal Revanna's passport will be cancelled. We're also getting several reactions from the BJP. Let's listen into what Basavaraj Bommai has said.
We have the former Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Basavaraj Bommai. First and foremost, we are seeing that a lot of politics is being played between the state and the central government over the cancellation of the diplomatic passport of Mr. Prajwal Revanna. The Home Minister today has said that it is completely the entire responsibility of the central government to cancel his diplomatic passport.
I'll tell you, he is telling partial procedure to cancel passport, leave away a diplomatic passport. There has to be a concrete case and a court order. SIT has taken more than 20 days to get the court order. This they could have done it very earlier, and because the complaint is 20 days back, and the serious charges were done subsequently, but they never approached the court only. Now the warrant has been issued, and because of that warrant, now all the procedures will be done, and seizing a passport, red corner, everything can be done only through court orders. So this is the real rules and procedures. He is telling half procedure. So he is trying to misguide and try to politicize the whole thing.
There are also allegations on the government that they have been involved in phone tapping pertaining to the Karnataka sleaze scandal.
As far as phone tapping is concerned, the allegation is made by the former Chief Minister, who was a Chief Minister 2 times. And since he is such a senior leader and Chief Minister, with all responsibility has said it, the state government has to come clean. And who has to answer this? The Home Secretary has to answer this. Home Minister is saying that we are not done it. That will not suffice. Because under the permission of the Home Secretary, everything can be done. Whether the Home Secretary and Home Department has given the permission or not, let the Home Secretary clarify. Why is not clarifying?
Isn't there any due process that has to be followed before tapping anybody's phone?
Yeah, they have to take a permission. The police has to take a permission of the Home Secretary. And let the Home Secretary come out. Why is keeping mum? By keeping mum, the phone tapping, allegations are getting more grounds for that. So let them come out clean and let there be inquiry on that, whether phone tapping has been done or not. Previously, the phone tapping charges were done and inquiry is also done.
Yes.